Hi guys, it's Tracy and I am back today with a huge basket of empties. It's been way too long and you saw the thumbnail. I have a ton of stuff that I have gone through. A lot of this, I didn't just like use this like this month, FYI. This is stuff that I told you guys this was the year of me using up products that were half full or half empty and getting them out of my collection. So I've been trying to be really good about not purchasing like more and then still having stuff half full. So lots of stuff here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. If you please give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you are new, hope you think about subscribing before you leave, and make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of cleaning out. So we've got a couple of Bath & Body Works hand soaps. This one is the foaming one in London. And it was okay. Like I don't prefer the foaming one. I prefer the gel ones. This one is in Frozen Lake, and they're all good. Like they all smell good. They all work. They all clean your hands. So you know, just depends on what your preference is. And then I have the Shea Butter Vitamin E Shower Gel from them, Bath & Body Works, in Sensual Amber. This smells amazing. My friend Lori from Hanging Out with Lori sent that to me, so I used it all up. Thank you, Lori. Smells super good. And then we have another Redken Frizz Dismiss. This is called Rebel Tame to tame my frizz, because I do get frizzy, and especially when it's hot. So gotta have that. Another body wash. This was out of a boxy charm of some sort by Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit. I did not really care for the scent in this one. It has lemongrass in it. Yeah, it's Sardinian, myrtle, lemongrass, and wild orange. So I would definitely not buy that one because of the lemongrass. I do not like that scent. Have two of the little wax melts. These ones I get at Walmart, and I buy the Scentsational brand, not the Better Homes and Garden brand. And this one is iced lemon cookies and cinnamon buns. And if you want your house to smell like this cinnamon buns one is so fragrant, like you can smell it throughout the whole house. It's like you use like one of the little cubes a day, and then you change it and throw it away, throw the wax out, and you know, you just swap it out the next day, and they smell really good. And they do, you know, I like these better than like the Wallflowers from Bath & Body Works or the Glade plug-ins, that kind of thing. Those to me don't smell, so I don't buy those anymore. And I have one of the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I like this. I have repurchased that. I have the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies. These are just like glycolic acid little pads. Got them through the BoxyCharm pop-up thingy. Then I have this Frugia Pomegranate Nutra Moisturizing Toner. This is really nice. This is a K Beauty brand, and I actually got this at my local discount store. He had gotten like a ton of that brand in, so I picked up quite a few of those. Another hair product here. This is by Curl Interrupted, and it's called their Curl Calming Balm, B-A-L-M. This was just an okay item for me. I wouldn't repurchase this one, but I think my daughter gave it to me. One of those mysterious under the sink items. Then I have another one of the Scentsationals. This is in Red Hot Cinnamon. This one smells a lot too, if you're looking for one that, you know, really smells. I have this candle from DW Home. This was in Carrot Cake. It says rich, spiced, and frosted, and it smelled really good in the container. But when I burned it, I burned this whole thing and didn't smell a darn thing. So I do not recommend that one because I didn't smell it. I have Eos Shave Cream. Where did I get this? I got this at Winco for $1, like a couple years ago. I usually just use like my shampoo, my conditioner, whatever I have in my shower. I don't feel like I really need like shaving gel. I used a couple of these Grace and Stella. It says like an energy drink for your eyes. They were just little eye masks we got in a BoxyCharm. They were okay, not anything, you know, extraordinary. Then I have this Aromatherapy from Bath & Body Works. This is the sleep one, has hibiscus and lang lang, and I just would use this when I'm getting ready to go to bed to try to trick my mind into thinking that I'm gonna go to sleep. Then I have the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This was another BoxyCharm add-on pop-up type of purchase. And if I see it again, I'll pick it up. This is from Earth Harbor. This is their Sapphire. It's a C retinol. And I think I have one more bottle of this. This was also a BoxyCharm, like pop-up type deal. So I don't really know if any of, you know, one thing is better than another. I do my steps and like hope that, you know, I don't look like I'm 1,000 years old. That's my philosophy on that. So this is also a BoxyCharm item. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. And I think this is, they said something like $79. There's no way I would ever pay $79 for this. I didn't see that this did anything to my skin. So maybe I'm blind, I don't know, but I wouldn't spend that kind of money for that. I have a perfume that I finished up. This is from Victoria's Secret, and this was the one called Love Me. It was cute because it's got this atomizer, and that's how it really worked. I know some of them have like the little fake thing on it, but yeah, it really sprays out from there. So this smelled good, but used it all up. Time to go out the door. Let's see, this is a declutter. This is the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 15. Something in this burned my skin. Like when I put it on, I could feel my skin burning, which I thought was kind of weird because this is supposed to be super gentle, and usually my skin is like leather. Like I could put anything on it and it doesn't do anything. But this, for something in here, just really like bugged my skin. So I used it a few times and I thought, you know what, it's not even worth trying to use it up, you know, to get through it. So I just decided to get rid of it. This is Flexitol Heel Balm for dry, rough feet. And it says you get suitable for general and geriatric foot care, and visible results in 3 days. I used to get, because I wear flip-flops and sandals a lot, I would get like these really deep cracks in my heels that would actually hurt. I mean, they would be so deep that like it's like you almost want to take like a glue and like try to glue them shut. And I found that if you there's one made by Gold Bond, but the ingredient that you want when you're looking at like something for your feet, if you do get the cracks in your heels, I haven't had them for a while. That's why I've had this one for so long. But the ingredient that you want is urea. And I know people are like, oh my God, that's urine. It's synthetic urine. But that is the ingredient that when it says results in 3 days, overnight I would find results with this. My heels would be killing me, and I put this stuff on, or the Gold Bond brand. That one's a lot easier to find. And it really, really does work. So if you have, you know, the cracks in your heels, try a heel balm that has urea. It's UREA. And if you try it out, see if it works. Because I know when my feet were really bad, I would try that and I would get, you know, like immediate relief by like the next day. It would be so much better. So I would definitely buy that again. I think I have one of the Gold Bond ones in my bathroom right now, but I haven't needed it. But I might, because, you know, it's hot now. Okay, this is from Bath & Body Works White Barn Candle. This is the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Smelled so good. This one smelled up the whole room. So this one was a win. Lid to that. And then I had this one from Bath & Body Works. This is called Smoked Absinthe. It's supposed to be like a licorice kind of scent. I didn't really smell a whole lot. I smelled a little bit of it, but not, I wouldn't buy that one again. So no, that's a no. The IGK Prenup Instant, what what is this? Instant Spray Hair Mask. I really like this. Now, retail on it is like $27, I think, something crazy. And I got like maybe 4 uses out of this. This came out of a BoxyCharm as well. But yeah, I mean, as much hair as I have, this was like maybe 4 uses for me. I'm not sure how much it is at Salon Centric, but I did like it, and it really was nice. And like, you could spray it in, put your hair up, do your other business, rinse it out, and my hair, I was able to comb right through it, and it's really nice. So I would recommend it, but I wouldn't recommend it for $27, especially if you have a lot of hair like I do. Dove Original dry what is it called? Dry deodorant, moisturizing, 48 hours, $3.99, Marshalls. I would repurchase that again. Got another soap. This one is in Pearberry. Again, personal sniffing preference. That one was just okay. I like the scents that they have around the holidays. Usually is when I like to stock up. I have one thing of wipes from Bolero. These come from the Dollar Tree. It's a coconut cream and vanilla. Use them to take off swatches, obviously not for cleaning my face. Then I have, this is from Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I got this through the pop-up. One of the reasons I can't seem to unsubscribe to BoxyCharm too is you get such great deals on things in the add-ons and the pop-up sales. So this was one I got, it was like $6. I think I have another one in my backups. I'm starting to try to go through those. Here is another Aromatherapy and Black Chamomile Sleep from Bath & Body Works. This one is like a thick, the thick cream, and this one here is more like a lotion. So depending on what you like. And right now, the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale's going on, so if you need anything, now's the time to stock up. I picked up a few things, but I didn't go crazy because I'm trying to use my stuff up. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This was another BoxyCharm buy. I really, really like this. I've gone through 2 or 3 of these now, and I do like that. So that is a yes that I would repurchase. And then this is the Acura Radically Rejuvenated Whipped Night Cream. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Peptide, and I did have a sample of that, and I felt the two against each other, and if you look at the ingredients, they are almost exactly the same. And this is really nice. Sometimes I can find this at Marshall's, sometimes I can find it at my local discount store, or you can buy it like on Amazon for $15, I think it is. But I really like that. I do like that. I would repurchase that. Then we have Melatonin. Again, that's one of my little nightly rituals to try to trick myself into falling asleep. I don't know if it works or not, but I gotta try what I can. Then this is the Skin Ink Hydration Ampule. BoxyCharm again. I haven't had to buy regular skincare for a long time. This is what I use to take off my polish. This is the Professional Acetone Remover. The acetone works so much better than just a regular nail polish. It just works better. Then we have this Lashes MD. It's like a brow or lash serum. I used it on my brows. I don't need it on my eyelashes. And I don't know that it did anything. I concentrated it on where I have a scar here and then at the front of my brow here. But I don't know that it probably didn't really do much, if it did anything. And that's a pretty expensive product when I could just kind of fill it in with a pencil. So not something I would spend money on, but again, it was BoxyCharm, so thank you, BoxyCharm. I have an Eos Lip Balm, and I have a Fresh Sugar, what is this? Advanced Therapy. This came in a little mini set that my daughter gave me, so this is the first one that I've gone through. And then I used up this Symbiosis London HA, so hyaluronic acid plus Pullian, and it says it's a tightening and replenishment eye mask. I don't know if my eyes look any more tightened than they were before, but I don't really subscribe to the whole you need an eye cream. Like, I usually, if I don't have an eye cream like came in my BoxyCharm, I just use my regular stuff all over my eyes. I'm not, you know, buying, like, going out and getting separate eye creams, because they give you half as much and charge you double the price. So I just don't think it's worth it. And then we have a couple vitamins here. This one is called BioSil. It's for hair, skin, and nails. I believe this was my last bottle, so I won't be taking that anymore. And then this is another one, Life Extension Hair, Skin, and Nails Rejuvenation Formula with Verisol. Got this one from my sister, and I think this is the last bottle of that as well. And then this is just calcium citrate D plus with magnesium. I take a calcium supplement every day. So that, my friends, is my epic empties. I hope that you enjoyed the video and my mini reviews. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. Any video ideas, suggestions, let me know what you'd like to see. I'm still having a really long wait time getting my video to upload to YouTube, so I don't know what's going on there. It's taking like a day or two to get them up. So this is the 28th of June, so I don't know when this will go up, but the reviews and the emptiness will still be valid. So I hope that you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.